Osiris. Form up. Everyone ready?
Actually, Tanaka, if I could ask a favor. Just say a word or two.
Come a long way together. A long way yet to go. Let's make a good jump like we mean to. And handle fools like we need to.
90 seconds to insertion point.
And may buck by the first round when we get back.
We get through this, I'll buy the whole damn bar.
Fire Team Osiris. The light is green.
Here they come!
Swords of San Helios. With these, target the air defenses. Clear landing zone. For San Helios!
There's the first of the air defenses. Push forward. Take it out.
All clear. Disable the air defenses. Target either the cannon itself or the power supply. Spartan, the Guardian is at the far end of the city. There are more anti-air emplacements in that direction.
We'll clear out air defenses as we go.
Good luck to you, Spartan.
And to you, Arbiter.
Swords of San Helios. Today Sunaion will fall, and with it, the Covenant! To me, brothers!
All right, Spartans. There's ground to cover between here and the Guardian. Move out. Hostiles coming through the door.
How do we know if Dr. Halsey's plan worked and the constructor did its job?
Guardian will start moving. Just need to be close enough to jump on board when it does.
Swords of San Helios. All ships report in. Havoc on station. Onslaught on station. Revolution on station. All ships. Focus fire on Covenant air forces. Send them crashing to a watery grave.
The Arbiter's fleet is arriving. Bring down the air defenses so they stand a chance. Visual on anti-air emplacement. Shut it down. Give the Swords of San Helios some airspace. Power core destroyed. Spartan locked the swords of St. Helios. Air defenses down on my position.
Confirmed, Spartan. Sending air support.
Keep moving. There's plenty more to do. Covenant insertion pods.
More air defense here.
Get him offline.
Jackal firing!
Eyes on the cannon's power core. Cannon destroyed. Swords of St. Helios. Another cannon down on my position.
Affirmative, Spartan. All ships, the Spartans have opened more airspace. Move in and make your presence felt.
Got more hostiles coming in.
Reinforcements at the door.
Can't hide from me.
Think the constructor found its way through this chaos?
If it didn't, somebody better come up with another solution real quick.
3 cannons here. Take them down quick. Our ride's going to leave without us.
Can't get in.
Take the cannons offline. Find their power source or target the cannons themselves. One cannon down. 2 more to go. Second cannon down. Only 1 left.
Climbing.
Where's the power source for this last cannon?
Spartans, what is your status clearing the turrets?
Stand by. We're on it.
Protect Sunaion!
Shields down. Take that last cannon down.
We're messing around, Tanaka.
Last cannon destroyed. Good work, Spartans. Arbiter, cannon's offline on our position.
My troops will arrive and secure your position. Move on towards the Guardian. You must reach the Master Chief in time.
Copy that, Arbiter.
Friendly phantoms approaching.
Spartan Lock, come in.
Maquis, hello again.
Air defenses still protect the skies between you and the Guardian. Too many for me to ferry you to your destination. You need another path. At your location, there is passage to Sunaion's Undercity, which will allow direct access to the Guardian.
Thank you, Maquis. Osiris, Maquis said there's a way down. Find it.
I hear worries. The Covenant should rejoice. Victory is near.
There's an elevator to the Undercity.
Not behind the stories.
Everybody on the elevator.
Good luck down there, Spartans.
Arbiter, we're heading to the Undercity. I want to warn you, before the Guardian jumps to slip space, it sets up a series of concussive blasts. If you move your ships out of the way in time, the Covenant will take the brunt of it.
Victory and honor do not grow from timid seeds, Spartan Lock. Your harvest shall be grand. When you see the Chief again, tell him I send my greetings.
I will indeed, sir.
Look, I've never heard a Sangheili address a human like that.
I'll try not to let it go. Maquis says we'll get direct access to the Guardian from down there. But remember, we don't have the strength of Sanghelios to distract these troops.
Whatever gets us to the Guardian quickest.
The Covenant is the way!
That's all you can, Grunt.
He's dead. Who's next? Guardian's still too far. Hurry.
Spartans, be aware. New enemies join the battle above. Armored, glowing.
Prometheus. We'll be ready.
The Constructor must have done its work.
It means the Guardian will be awake soon. Double time, Osiris. Hunter, get ready. Hunters are down.
Better hurry. Can't have too much longer to go.
Killing each other up there. I don't know.
Watch out! Doors are opening! Everybody on the elevator.
Arbiter, this is Spartan Locke. Do you copy?
Spartan Locke. Near the Guardian. Killing everyone.
Arbiter,
That's no good.
we should be close to the Guardian by now.
If we can help Arbiter,
We do, but not at the risk of missing the Guardian. Reaching Master Chief is more important.
Looks like we just missed all the fun.
I regret everything! False Arbiter! Kill! Kill!
Guardian singing! How much time do we have left?
Not enough. Double time, Osiris. Over there, in the ocean. Guardian's rising! Arbiter, the Guardian...
Haven't come this far to let the Guardian slip away now. Hurry, Guardian!
Run! Run! Watch your steps!
Careful! It's going to...
Move, Spartan!
Building on the right! Go! Did you see that?
I think it's Prometheus.
Flowers! There's another one.
The clock's ticking. Hurry, or we miss our ride to Master Chief.
For San Helios! Covenant's defenses have fallen. Sunaion. No. San Helios is ours!
We're almost to the Guardian. They can't stop us now.
Let them come. I fight by your side, Spartans, to the last.
Clear a path. Get on board the Guardian before it leaves.
Do not cross.
Keep pushing, Osiris. We're almost to the Guardian.
Guardian's gonna leave any minute now.
All that matters is the Guardian hasn't left yet. There's still time.
Big soldier surveying the area.
I'm the Warden Eternal. I stand in the face of
What the hell is that thing here? Shoot it!
We don't have time to discuss it. Take him out, Osiris.
Soldier, in cover.
you are mine! Close. Access to Genesis.
You must not! Read! Genesis!
What's a Genesis?
It's where the Guardian's headed.
Guardian's leaving without us.
Gotta be some way to...
Osiris, get your asses in gear. I'm coming in hot. You best be ready to go.
We're on board.
Hang on.
Open your eyes, Doc. You're missing all the fun.
That's twice.
What, we're counting now?
Rock, you get one shot.
Ready when you say, Commander.
Now.
All clear.
Lock. Lock, come on.
Hunt them to the last. The day we extinguish the Covenant's light forever!